Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So, today in this video, I'm going to explain about the productions and operations management. How the productions and operations management is important for any organizations. Let us see very clearly and very explanatively information in this video. So, production and operations management is a is having a seven basic key objectives in production and operations. So, let us see one by one. Optimizing of resources and utilizing the proper resources. One of the primary objective of production and operations management is to optimize resource utilizations. This involves efficiency, allocation, and resource maintenance. The raw material, labor, equipments, and facilities to maximize the productivity while minimizing the cost. By streamlining the production processes and reducing the wastages, the organization can achieve the higher operations efficiency and profitability. Next is about the minimization of the cost. The cost minimization is a critical objective and it's very crucial in POM, aiming to reduce the production cost without compromising the quality or customer satisfaction. So, when we minimize the cost, every customer will think that the quality may be compromised. But if we compromise the quality, the customers will not come again for our product. So, customer satisfaction is also very much important in these aspects. These objectives involves identifying and eliminating the unnecessary expenses, optimizing procurement of processes, and it is a favorable supplier support. And when we get a proper supply from the suppliers and implementing the um, main course of the business processes, by lowering the cost, organization can improve their competitiveness and profitability in the market. Ensuring the timely delivery. Another important is a timely delivery. Timely delivery of the product or services is essential for meeting the customer expectations and maintaining the market competitiveness. The production and operations management focuses on planning and scheduling the production activities to ensure that goods are produced and delivered accordingly to customer demand and delivery schedule. So, on time delivery. These objectives involves effective production planning, inventory management, and logistic coordinations to avoid the delay and fulfill the orders properly. Next, about the enhancing the product quality. So, quality management is a core objective of production operations management, aiming to consistently deliver the products or services that meets or exceeds customer expectations. This objectives involves implementing quality control and measuring the and conducting the inspections and tests at various stages of production and continuously improving the processes enhance the product reliability and performance. By prioritizing quality, organization can build strong reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction. So, continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is also the fundamental objective of the production operations management, emphasizing the ongoing effort to enhance the processes. Flexibility and adaptability is also one of the important factors that involves to today the dynamic business environment. Flexibility and adaptability is a very crucial objectives. These objectives involves in designing the production system and supply chain that can quickly respond to change in the market demand. Sustainability and the social responsibility. Sustainability and social responsibility have emerged as an important objective in the modern POM practices. These objectives focus on minimizing the environment's impacts, promoting the ethical business practices, and supporting the community welfare. So, apart from this, the POM plays a very important quality control and material management and maintaining the good quality of material in the production and processes. So, this is a basic intro about the production and operations management. Thank you.